Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create professional product image in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva app. You can download it for free from the official website, and don't forget to sign in with your account. Let's get started by click apps and then click AI powered. You can scroll down and you can find mockup studio. So here you can transfer your images into stunning mockup photos. Here you can create professional product image perfect for e-commerce, advertising, and more. Let's get started by click use in new design and click any canvas that you preference. And here we go. And here in mockup studio you can upload an image or select one in your design to create a product photo. So let's click choose file, for example from your directory, and here I got these shoes, and you can describe the background. For best result, include the product name and the scene. And here we go, let's try. And here we'll try a shoes to walk on the moon. And product size, you can adjust the size of product in the generated image. Smaller size will leave more room for the background. So let's try the default 0.8. Click generate. Please wait, this may take up to a minute. And here we go. Look like flat, but to get interesting, you know, like a more complex background, you can try to more detail when you describe the background. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. There's a contact button below. See you in the next video.